Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay on VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, you can open up your VN Video Editor application. Make sure you have installed this application on your mobile phone, and after you have installed this application, you can open it. And then we're going to create new project. To create new project, we can click on this plus icon, and then we can select new project, and you can choose video based since we want to edit video. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, and then you can add photo or video to your project. If you want to add video, just go to the video section, and here I'm going to add video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add this video, and we can click on next to import the video to our VN project. Okay, and here guys, I'm going to show you how we can add overlay. If we want to add overlay to our project, we can click on PIP right here, and then we can add sticker as an overlay, or we can add a photo or a video. Even though it says photo, you cannot only add a photo, but you can also add a video to the overlay. Just select this option, and here as you can see, you'll be able to add photo or a video. And I'm just going to add video from one of my albums in my gallery. I'm going to choose this album, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, and now the overlay has been added. This is the video as the overlay, and we can blend this overlay with our main layer. If you want to blend it, just go to the blend option, and then you can choose the type of the blending you want to apply. And wait, for example, I'm going to apply mask to the video. I'm going to click on mask, and I'm going to choose linear. Okay, and I'm going to blend the video with my first video. Okay, we can blend it like this. I'm going to use mask to blend it. Alright, and I'm going to go to the blend mode. You can go to the blend mode, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose screen. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add overlay on VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.